What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on AITX ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at the end of March, and I didn't cover this stock for quite some time, and for now I think it is time to make another video and do an update in order to understand where we are on the price chart and what should we expect from this company and what was the most recent news from this company. So first of all, let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, let me show you more thoroughly. At this point, at the end of March, and I've told you that I couldn't count the entire 5 waves movement to the downside, and my main assumption was that we have to have at least one more leg to the downside to hit the 0.786 range, and for now, as you can see, we hit this range to the tick, and in my opinion it was the bottom of our C wave. Right after that, we had very good movement to the upside, with more than 112% of potential profits, and this might be a very good contender to first initial movement to the upside in order to have a retracement and then break some new swing highs. But unfortunately, right here we broke this previous bottom, and technically it was the failed wave, and from this point, from this very bottom, we didn't have much steam to break previous swing high, and as you can see, we have consistently lower highs and lower lows, and it was for more than several months. From the end of April till present day, we have this descending movement. So I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's take a look on the entire company. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions focuses on the delivery of artificial intelligence and robotic solutions for operational, security and monitoring needs. It also develops front-end and back-end software solutions. So, for now, this company has a total market cap of $106.25 million. It is not the biggest company, and they have a revenue of $857,901. They have a very good revenue growth of 202%, and they have a negative net income of $43.78 million. They have a total cash position of $2.95 million, and their total debt is $19.64 million. So from the financial standpoint, this company doesn't have very good financial numbers. But this company is still in a startup mode, and that's why you have to keep an eye on the financials. And I have to say that with this number of debt of almost $20 million and with this number of total cash, in my opinion, in near future we will see some dilution with their stock offering, and that's why you have to be prepared to this price action. So, why I am so interested in this company? And let me show you their press release section. Right here on October 11th, they posted this news that RAD to reveal RAD 3.0 via YouTube live stream October 13th. And let me show you that on their official YouTube channel, we have this video, and it is quite lengthy, more than 1 hour, and it is extremely interesting. And I decided to redo the analysis of this company after I watched this video. And I have to say that they have a lot of new products. They updated almost the entire lineup of their products. They have very good testimonials from their first customers. And of course, for now, they don't have impressive sales. They didn't sell even for $1 million. But still, this company is really interesting at this point. And I have to say that institutional owners right here, as you can see, we don't have much filings on their smart money list, but nevertheless, this company has more than $325,000 in value in AITX, and in my opinion, they will add their position in near future because their average price is about 5.9 cents per share, and for now we have the price of 3.1 cent per share. And you have to keep an eye that this company has huge discount for now, even after the recent movement to the upside. Right here we have from the very bottom to this top, we have about 29% of upside movement. So what should you do if you want to invest in this company? First of all, I highly recommend you to watch this video, and I highly recommend you to watch the entire list of videos from this channel, because it is extremely interesting, and with this information you will have more clear view what is this company about. And I have to say that this company is one of the most transparent companies that I ever seen. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have consistently lower highs with lower lows, and we have some kind of, as you can see, we have this type of formation. It is not the most accurate because we have this breakout to the downside, and we have these stops right here, and potentially we might connect it from this point, because this was the failed wave, and the failed wave cannot be included in this formation. So, and right here, as you can see, we are right at the border of this sloping line. This means we might have some kind of breakout. And right here, as you can see, we have very good volume. This means this asset at that point was at the point of interest from institutional investors and from retail investors as well. And right after they posted their recent video about RAD 3.0, they had this massive spike in price of their shares, and it was really impressive to see this 27% with one candle. So what should we expect next? If you want to invest in this company, as I already mentioned, just do your own due diligence, because this company is extremely interesting for the long-term investment, but it is extremely risky for now. And if we will have a breakout from this level, and if we will retest this sloping line from the top, potentially with the good volume we might see next leg to the upside, and this will indicate that we are on bull trend, at least the short-term bull trend. And first of all, we have to break all of the previous swing highs, and from our current price we might have about 67% to this previous swing high, and more than, let me show it to you, more than 186% to this one. And that's why I think this company has more upside potential than the downside. And I think the risk to reward ratio for this setup is really amazing, because you can put your stop loss slightly below this previous bottom, and we have these two sloping lines, and it is a very bullish sign. As I already mentioned, it is one of my favorite patterns, because in the majority of cases this pattern breaks to the upside with a huge conviction of volume. And for now, I think this event that took place just a couple of days ago was the real catalyst for this price action, and we might see some higher targets, and we might see huge upside potential with this stock. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!